come from Uganda. It's a very patriarchal society where the hard work of women sometimes goes unseen. So that's pretty much the drive I have around it. With me is the detergent that is labeled STEP. It just reminds me of my early days as a scholar. Colleagues from Leuphana came to Uganda and said, we need to create this program where we're talking about students training and entrepreneurship promotion. But one of the groups we trained was a vocational institution. And so they made a detergent and decided to label it STEP, which was the project we're doing.
Actually, when I started my PhD back in 2006, I was traveling to Uganda for the first time. And since then, we have been working together on entrepreneurship training. So I've known Rebecca now for a very long period of time. And I'm very happy because we are kind of complementing each other.
At Leuphana, I'm working on the topic gender and inequality matter for entrepreneurship. And my goal is to, bring more sensibility on the importance of gender and inequality in society. So I bring a very critical perspective in the classroom to help students really be a bit more critical on what we know about entrepreneurship and why, gender or inequality how they've been discussed or how they are missing, to have an insight on what I think are hidden figures in society. I feel like my research skills were really honed in Leuphana, even though I was never really part of Leuphana as I am now. So when this opportunity came up, I would just not miss it. I had to come. It's like a dream come true, having to craft a project together and, walk the journey as co-authors. Michael is more into psychology, and he has looked at the psychology of entrepreneurship. And I come into entrepreneurship, but understanding entrepreneurship at the intersection of development.
So combining our different types of expertise that we possess, that makes very much sense and has been very fruitful in the past. And when we learned about this opportunity to invite her to come to Leuphana University as a guest professor, then we said we need to grab this and make sure that we can strengthen our collaboration through that.
Research at Leuphana is very diverse. It's a very collegial kind of community, right? I've been introduced to other people that could, add to my tools in research. That, for me, is what I see Leuphana as, a community of, colleagues who really want everybody to get better.